That is the stopper. Stopper. Okay, I did a little montage just to show you. So at that position, handbrake release, your brake works as normal without no interference. So when you apply the handbrake, as you see, tuck. And the most important in this system is the pivot point. If you draw a line from here to here, your stopper right there, that pivot point must be under the line. So I install a rope just to show you the pivot points. Basically, it's a toggle clamp. So what's important, your stopper here, I don't know if you see the line, if I draw the line from here to there, that pivot point must be at position close on your stopper, below that line. I'll show you in a drawing. So that's the position not engaged, and this is the position engaged. Like I said, if you draw a line from here to your pivot here, when you have your stopper, look, the center of the hole is below that line. One major reason that I did a handbrake, for some of you, sometimes when the engine is super cold and you're not in the Cyclekart, you have to give him a little bit of gas. And the other day what happened, I've lifted that and it's got stuck here. So the Cyclekart wanted to go away. And I had this closed, so I had to hold it up here, and I really hurt my hand.